we're going to make a morning egg casserole. So tomorrow, after refrigerating it for overnight, we're going to come back and put it in the oven. I have already actually put the cooking spray in a 9 by 13 inch pan. And I already started with the bottom layer of this 1 cup of our chicken, of our roasted diced chicken. Let's continue. If you actually have already made this once, you probably know that it was pork. We're using chicken instead. You actually have to use 2 cups, and I'm starting my first one right here, right now. Plop. Alrighty, now time to get to the next step. But first, because I'm kind of like a perfectionist when cooking, I'm going to spread it out. Okay. Now, we actually are in our breading now. So, let's get our butter, because we're buttering our bread. Okay, so we're just kind of speeding the process up a little bit of getting this crust off. We probably won't be speeding up this buttering though. I'll do some more buttering after this. Alright, so we will be right back. We are back, and look at this juiciness. Alright. You're allowed to stack it anyway because it's probably going to seep through. The butter's probably going to seep through and have your goodness chicken. Cutting it into 4s. You can cut it smaller, but we would like to cut it into 4s. Boom. Boom. Then we actually I'm making my own sound effects. Whoop and a whoop and another whoop and another whoop. And we have gotten out. All right, time to put them in the pan. Woohoo! Let's see that action. Perfectly. It's getting perfect. I'm not that much of a perfectionist. I'm just actually being a perfectionist enough to make it look neat and abstract. Now, who cut the cheese? That was a joke. And dump the hoop and just layering it all over. It's time to make the seasoning. Egg. there's a hokey pokey song for food. You crack your eggs, you pour your milk or any liquid that you're going to use. He said, woo. Alright, there's no shells, and we'll be right back as I wash my hands. We are back, and now we actually have gotten our eggs, and now time to blop, 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 blop. Alright, so now we actually get our milk. We actually will have 3 cups of milk. And pour. And ooh. Last one. Look at that. There might be too much to carry it. Now we're having 1/4 teaspoon of 3/4, I meant, teaspoon of this and this. It's dry mustard and salt. And there's a 1 and a 2 and a 3. And a whoop. Let's just get some of that action right here. Don't worry, that's all right because we have enough. And there is 1 more, 1 more, 1 more. Bloop. All right, mix it. All right, we're back after mixing this. We're soaking the bread. Woo. All right. Now let's let you see it. Isn't that really delicious looking? And now we're going to beat out as we actually put this in. Well, have a nice day and see you tomorrow. Hello, we are back and it's in the and we actually have just preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And look at this. It's our casserole whenever it was freezing overnight. Well, we're going to put it in and then we'll be right back. We are back and we actually have just made our delicious casserole. Look at this good casserole. And now we should try the good slice. It is delicious, and I think you would like it too. Anyway, I hope you have a great time with this delicious food, and goodbye.